Messenger voice recording not working on your iPhone? Here are a few ways to fix it. First, check microphone permission. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Look for Messenger in the Apps list and tap on it. Look for microphone option in the top. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Now try sending a voice message again in Messenger. Second, update the Messenger app. Open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Type Messenger and search for it. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. If there are no updates, open Messenger and test the voice recording feature again. Third, offload and reinstall Messenger. Go to Settings. Tap General. Select iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap Messenger. Tap Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload App again. Now reinstall the app and try to send a voice message. Fourth, force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up and volume down buttons in quick succession. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. Once your phone restarts, open Messenger and test the voice recording again. Many users find this fixes hidden system glitches instantly. However, if it still doesn't work, let's report the issue to Messenger support. Open the Messenger app. Tap the hamburger menu icon in the bottom right corner. From the top, select Settings. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. Tap Report Anyway. Choose to include the logs and diagnostics. Briefly explain the issue. Tap Send in the top right corner. Confirm by tapping OK. The support team will review and respond accordingly.